For over 50 years, Performance Toyota has been serving the Greater Cincinnati area, keeping tens of thousands of families safely on the road.
Why us? Why Performance Toyota? First and foremost, we've been here for 50 plus years to take care of customers the right way the first time. We have a great staff here with over 300 years experience just in the sales department, and I think service is real close to that as well.
We keep customers coming back. We put a smile on their face. You can't beat Performance Toyota for sales or service.
And some of the services we provide here, some of the nice things for loyal customers like you that's going to be watching this today, is that we have valet pickup and delivery for our customers. That if they're ill, they can't make it in, or they just can't get away from their job, we do that for free for you. Instead of paying for a diagnostic check on your car to find out what's wrong, you come in here and we'll do it for free for you.
So if anything pops up on your vehicle and you're not quite sure what it is, no worries.
Also, another great benefit, service repairs under $750 can be run at 0% interest with no credit check.
I know we've all had times where we don't have money at that moment, so that really would benefit you if you don't have the cash to spare at that time.
One of the many perks you get when you bring your vehicle in for service at Performance Toyota is our iService. That is a video inspection of your vehicle sent directly to your phone. You can see firsthand whatever repairs are needed.
What we see, you see, the transparent video inspection. Through that platform, you're also able to approve any additional recommended work and pay by phone as well. Once the vehicle comes into the shop, we perform a free alignment inspection on every car.
And a car wash.
The next time you're considering service work on your car, just always think of Performance Toyota. We will always be here for you and we'll put a smile on your face.
Making your service visit enjoyable and easy is what we do. Performance Toyota will put a smile on your face.